The songs of gratitude. Encouraging the practice of gratitude as a means to find joy and cultivate a deeper appreciation for life's blessings. Grandfather Samuel and his granddaughter Lily sat on a bench beneath a grand oak tree, listening to the rustling leaves and chirping birds in the park. "Grandpa," Lily asked, "why do birds sing?" "Well," Samuel said, "some people believe that birds sing to attract mates or to defend their territory. But I think they sing because they are happy. They are grateful for the beauty of the world around them, and they want to share their joy with others." Lily thought about this for a moment. "I wish I could be as happy as the birds," she said. "I don't always feel happy. Sometimes I feel sad or angry or scared." "That's okay," Samuel said. "Everyone feels sad or angry or scared sometimes. But it's important to remember that there's also a lot of beauty in the world. And when we focus on the good things, it helps us to feel happier." "How can I focus on the good things?" Lily asked. "One way is to pay attention to the little things," Samuel said, "like the sound of the birds singing, or the smell of the flowers, or the feel of the sun on your skin. When you take the time to appreciate the little things, it helps you to see the beauty in the world around you." "I'll try to do that," Lily said. "And another way to focus on the good things is to be grateful," Samuel said. "When you're grateful for the things you have, it helps you to feel happier and more content. So take some time each day to think about all the things you are grateful for. It could be your family, your friends, your health, your home, or anything else that you are thankful for." Lily smiled. "I'll do that too," she said. Lily and Samuel sat in silence for a few minutes, listening to the birds sing. Lily felt a sense of peace and contentment. She knew that she would try her best to be grateful for the good things in her life and to focus on the beauty of the world around her. The moral of the story is that gratitude is a powerful emotion. It can help us to feel happier, more content, and more connected to the world around us. When we are grateful, we are more likely to focus on the good things in our lives and to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. Thanks a lot for watching. If you admire what you see, please consider subscribing. It is absolutely free for you, but helps us to make more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.